welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today I know that we've kind of been concentrating a lot on this big project of mine, and I kind of wanted to show you there was a lot more stuff happening this year um, as we do a year in review. So, yeah, there was the red and blue bag, the how to find the center in a bracelet. Um, yeah, there was a lot more than just the one big project. I was trying to show you how to make bags, how to even do Chinese lanterns. That was a fun one for the Chinese New Year. Valentine's Day bag. Even tried to give you guys some help on how I go about choosing colors. So yeah, this has been a lot of stuff here this 2021, and oh yeah, Satin Menace. That was something. The autism awareness. There we go. Yeah, it's been a long year, and I'm sure that you guys may have forgotten some of these videos, and maybe this is a reminder to go back and check out some of the ones you might have missed. I've been having a lot of fun, honestly, with the live streams, but I'm looking forward to next year getting back into making tutorials, making the videos, and kind of doing stuff to help you guys as well. The big project I know has taken up a lot more time than I had hoped to, but that's okay, I think, because if anything else, you guys have learned that I can be dedicated to a project no matter what it takes. So, yeah. Um, if you guys have thoughts, ideas, things you want me to help you to better understand or learn, let me know. And yeah, I'll make a list for next year of videos to hit because this is the end of the year for me, and I am, like I said, I'm looking forward to next year. So hopefully, next year is a lot better than what this one was. So, yeah. Before I go, I do want to thank all of my Patreon supporters. They have made all of these videos possible. So a big shout out to all of them. I appreciate every little bit you guys have done to help encourage me to do more. And I will be doing more as we go into the next year. All right. Well, thank you for everything. And remember, don't get your strings in a bunch.